Hi and welcome back to the channel. Although there's been a lot of bodywork done to my Rover P480, there are a couple of areas that need attention, and one of them that's been bugging me recently is the front lower valance. So what we'll do now is we'll have a quick look at what's wrong with it and what I'm going to do about it. And as you can see there, the paint is really gobbed on quite thick. And as you can see, if I zoom in a little bit, it's all quite crazed and it hasn't flaked off, but it's just about being held on. Now, I started to scrape away a little bit. Let's just zoom out again. I started to scrape away a bit, and as you can see, it appears that the paint has been applied over thick rust. And as you can see, if I click away, move some of the paint there, it's quite rusty. Now, it is solid under there. So what I think quite solid there. So what I'll probably do is remove the valance and then scrape away all the paint and get all the rust off, treat it, and then repaint it. Now I know the car's been repainted in the past, and I'm a little bit suspicious about whether it's been painted in the actual original colour, because there are parts around the car that are quite a bit lighter green. It's very difficult to see in this light, but inside the engine bay it's a couple of shades lighter green than on the body. Now I suspect that this is the original colour. Now what I really need to do is get the original records based on the VIN number and find out what the original paint colour is. So just to summarise on this very short video, I wasn't going to do a video today, but I started messing about trying to remove the horns to repaint them because they need some refurbishment. And I spotted I knew the valance was a little bit bad, but I didn't realise it was that bad. So that is one of the first jobs I'm going to be tackling. So I've shifted a few jobs around. So that's going to be the subject of the next probably couple of videos, unless I get sidetracked onto something else, which is quite easy with this car, to be honest. And although solid, there are areas that sort of don't match the rest of the car in terms of the work that's been done. So as I say, that'll be removing of the bumper, removing the horns, removing that front valance, and then removing all the paint, removing the rust prevention, and then repainting. So I think I'll probably match it to the colour that's already there, but it all depends how far I want to go, and it tends to be a bit of a rabbit hole once you start messing about with the bodywork. So anyway, that's a very short video. Let me know what you think about the colour. So yeah, catch you in the next one. Bye.